YouTube. Let's watch Smash Engineering. No Wi-Fi again? No!
Are you having issues with your LG TV connecting to the internet?
Yes.
Would you like a short video on how to fix it?
Can you help me?
Well, you've come to the right place.
I'm gonna watch your video right now.
Smash Engineering.
Welcome back to another episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're working on a LG Smart TV. This TV has been giving me issues beyond recognition with the Wi-Fi, and it's always something different. I've tried all the different little things, but I've actually looked into this a little bit, and it looks like the software is flip-flopping, or at least when it's looking for the Wi-Fi. So stick around, we're gonna get this fixed. Okay, so I've been getting this issue. No matter what I click on, it's telling me that I have internet connectivity problems. And what I'm understanding is it seems like it's jumping around in the software. It doesn't know where to look, kind of. It's goofing it up. So what we're gonna do is go down to all settings, pull up your menu, and go down to, if you check my network here, it says we're not connected, even though I know that we are, because everything else in my house with Wi-Fi is having no problems. So we're gonna go to general, and we're gonna go to location. And the problem that it's having is when it's set on automatic, for some reason, the software in this TV is causing it to look elsewhere. So you need to be connected to have it set on automatic. So let's change it manually to Canada. If you look at this, it'll cause your TV to restart. Let's go ahead and hit yes. Boom, it's gonna restart. All right, the TV has restarted. So now let's go into, oops, wrong button. Let's go into all settings again. It's all the way at the bottom here. Don't know what I did there. All settings. And this is the most important part. So now you're gonna go down to general, location. You're gonna set this back to where you're from and allow it to reset again. And once it does that, let's go ahead and try this again. Go down to all settings. And now that we have it in USA, we're going to hit set automatic. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to connect to your network? And then just go ahead and refresh your Wi-Fi connection. And from there, you will have your internet working again on your LG Smart TV. All right, and after the reset, you can see there that my internet is showing back up. And now you can connect to it and go on about your day. If for some reason that does not work for you, I would say at that point you need to unplug the TV from the wall and wait 60 seconds and then plug it back in and then go through this process again. It may just be as simple as needing a reset. And then of course, once you get it fixed, you want to go ahead, grab your YouTube app, go to your favorite YouTuber, smash the subscribe button, and check out the videos. We got a lot of different videos. I'm sure there's one here for everyone. And if there's not one here that you like or need, check out the Kentucky trip. Some beautiful views. That's actually a picture I took. So that's not a stock photo. I took that picture. So check it out. As always, thanks for watching Smash Engineering today. I appreciate you being along with us. I hope this really helps you. Also, a few things to try are just the obvious. Reset your router, wait 5 minutes. It takes 2 minutes from the boot up everything to go live, it runs some self-tests. But yeah, just go ahead and try the simple stuff first. Unplug your TV, plug it back in, wait a couple minutes between, unplug your router, plug it back in, and then if that doesn't work, you have to go through, and you can even factory reset your TV. That should be your last option. But go through and change your setting locations and then pull it back, and that's what worked for me. So thanks for watching. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and share our videos around. And let's get this channel growing. I appreciate you guys' support, and see you on the next one.